How to enable multi-guest in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select the multi one. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this video like icon. Simply tap on this video like icon. So this is the place where you can go multi-live. Here, you can see different options available. So after you tap on go live, you'll be able to add different people through multi-guest live. Here, different players or different streamers can join you, and you guys can even start streaming and play different games. So this is the place where you can collect a lot of coins and later even collect a lot of viewers in your stream. So it's a way of supporting each other and a type of collaboration you can do in Bigo Live. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.